Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So last time we were able to create this slider so users can slide through their favorite contacts. So you notice that when we slide using the bar, using these arrows, it's moving very slow. For example, we'll make it a little bit faster, which we can do. So we can actually change how far we go to the left. So I'm going to change this one to 500, this one to 500. So when we change that, I'm going to reload. Now when I click here, see it goes faster. Okay, so another thing is we are going to need to center this so that this is centered in the center. I think it looks a little bit better. So we'll do that by going to the slide container and then we give it some margin auto. So when you give it margin auto, you see it shifts to the center, which is good, which is what we want. So at this point, we can navigate here and here. So one more thing I don't like is that these don't look like they are clickable, and I think they are pretty big, but I think this is okay. They don't look like they are clickable, so let's give it some cursor pointer. So I'm gonna go to here, I set up a class, so I'm gonna call it icon class. So I'm gonna have it do cursor pointer, and then I'm gonna give this class to the items themselves. So we can go to here, and then where we have an icon, you can give it a class name of this. So I wanna make sure that it's the same class we are giving to this other one. So that will be here. So once we have that and save, you will see that now when we come off, it highlights. When we come, it highlights. So now we can use this. So good. Okay, so one last thing you'll notice is these are not directly in the center. So what we can do is we can select where they are. So I can come over here and select this. So this is the single item container. So you can go to the single item container and display it flex and make sure that these are centered. So if you go to the CSS, single item container is here. So we can, instead of saying, so you can here do display flex. Okay. So that would actually change everything. We want it to use a direction of, will be column. So it's gonna go ahead and put it from top to bottom. So now to center this, we can come in and say align items center. So when we do that, you see that this is centered, and everything is centered now. So now this looks a little bit better. I believe it looks good. So for now, you might not want to show these ones when the user has no favorites, So I'm gonna set up a simple helper function here, hide away the buttons. So you can have something like const show icons. So this one will be only true when the favorites, we can have something like favorites dot length is greater than, let's say, to put the bare minimum. So now if you copy this, we can come here and only show it when we should show them. So you can do that by having show icons. So if it's true, then we show them. Okay, if it's not true, for example, here we can do this. So if it's not true, we don't show them. So we only show them when they are greater than 2. Otherwise, we will not show them. Okay, so of course now this one meets, but I believe you can play around and do more fixes because we literally can't get everything right in these short tutorials. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be implementing a global search for the application. Thanks for watching.